guys, so I'm back. I know it's been a long time since I last posted a video, but I am here and I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday go-to hair and makeup style. So first off, I'm going to start off with my hair. Right now you just see me spraying my hair with my Chi Heat Tamer spray, and I'm just going to brush that through my hair. Now I'm going to be using my Duval curling wand, and I'm going to be curling my hair towards my face. I believe the barrel on this curling wand is an inch, so any inch curling wand will do, but I will say that I do really love this one. It's totally my favorite curling wand that I've ever used. I just said curling wand like 4 times in the span of 10 seconds, but that is okay because you guys get the point. Basically, this is like a super simple hairstyle. It doesn't take me long to do it at all. I'm going to say max about 20 minutes. And your hair comes out looking super polished and like you spend a lot of time doing it. But yeah, basically I'm literally just going to take very, very small sections, like maybe an inch to half an inch, and they're all thin sections, and I'm just going to wrap them around the barrel going towards my face and then hold it for about 10 seconds. The hair that I am wearing is from Annabelle hair, and I believe this is Brazilian body wave. I ended up getting the lengths 22, 24, 26, and 28. The 28 was a little long, so I decided to cut it, and I did end up dyeing this hair jet black. I've been wearing this hair for about a month, and I would have to say that the quality is pretty great. I don't have any problems with shedding or tangling or anything like that. Even after dyeing it, the hair still looks very healthy and has like a really nice natural shine, so I really do like that. I do tend to wear my hair curled more often than I do wear it straight, if you couldn't tell by all the mini freaking curling videos that I have on my channel. But yeah, it holds the curl amazingly, and I definitely appreciate that because I absolutely hate putting hairspray in my hair extensions, and for my hair to hold the curl all day, even multiple days, I don't have to do any of that.
Day and night, night and day, all I've got to say is it's about sugar, all the things I do to you. I make it all my school belongs to you. If I was your woman, the things I did.
Since this is the side of my head that doesn't have my bang, I just decided to curl all the pieces going towards my face and none of them going backwards. When I get to the other side, then I'll switch it up a little bit. But yeah, basically once you get to the top, you're just going to do the same exact thing that you did on the bottom, and you can see how pretty the curls have turned out already. And we're not even done, just halfway through the process. So yeah, basically I'm just going to do the same exact thing that I did on the left side to the right side, just taking small sections, half an inch sections, and curling them towards my face until I get to the top. Now that I've gotten more towards the top, the sections that I take are going to be a little bit different. They're going to be a little longer and flatter, if that makes any sense. So basically I'm just going to take a longer piece of hair going lengthwise, but like height-wise it's going to be shorter and thinner so that the curls come out. I really can't explain how they come out, but they come out a little bit different than they do when you don't do that. It's more of like a deep wave, and I really like that look.
So I can't and I won't.
Now we're basically to the finish line when it comes to my hair. Basically, I'm just gonna take this piece and curl it going away from my face. This is the only piece of my hair that I curl going away from my face. And if you want to go like curl it towards your face, it looks good like that as well, but I just decided to make it go back instead. So usually I let my hair cool for about 5 minutes or so before I start combing my hair out with my fingers. This is just to loosen up the curls and the waves a little bit and make them a little bit more uniform and clumped together, because the look that I'm going for here is kind of like a deep wave look. So after a little time spent fixing up those edges, which I decided to do off camera, this is what I'm left with, and I freaking love this hairstyle. Like, I wear it every day. Now to move on to the makeup. First, I'm going to be starting off with the color Low Blow from the Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to be using a big fluffy brush to brush that across my crease. Since my eyes are pretty hooded, I decided to put it slightly above my crease, and I've noticed that it lifts my eye up a lot more. Next, I'm taking the color He Devil and a small pencil brush, and then I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the transition color and kind of just sweep that along a little bit above my crease. Now taking another clean fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out the edges of that color that I just laid down. Now taking the color Chaser, I'm going to be using that and putting it under my brow bone as a highlight. It's really just like a light kind of nudie matte color, because I usually don't like putting shimmers in my on my brow bone, and I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to blend that out. Now taking the color In Fuego and a pencil brush, I will be putting that above my crease as well to kind of deepen the color a little bit, as well as packing it into my outer V and blending it out. Once again, I'll be taking a clean fluffy brush and blending out all of the edges. Now moving on to creating the cut crease, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Medium Beige and a flat top brush. I am pretty sure that this is a paintbrush, so I couldn't tell you where I got this brush from, but it works amazingly, so I love using it. And basically, I'm not good at carving out my cut crease, so I usually use like a light tapping motion to carve out where I want the cut crease to be, and it works for me like extremely well.
You're smooth and shining, so good I get my lips sugar. I want you so well, I can taste your love right now, baby. Day and night, day. All I got to say is, if I was your girl, all the things I do to you, I'd make you call up my name, I'd ask who it belongs to. If I was your woman, the things I do to you.
Now going back in with a flat shader brush, I'm going to be using the color Chaser and laying that on top of the concealer that I just put down to set everything. Then going back in with the color He Devil, I'm just going to be blending the edges of my cut crease to blend them out to the corner. Now I'm going to go back in with the color In Fuego and then just pack that on my outer V just to deepen the crease a little bit. Now going back in with another clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend everything out and make sure that there's no harsh lines. I decided to do the rest of my foundation and eyeliner and everything off camera because my routine has not changed in years. It's exactly the same, and I have like a ton of videos on it already. So now I'm just taking my lip pencil from Rimmel in the color Coffee Bean and lining my lips with it, then just taking another flat brush and blending out the edges so that it's not like a harsh line. Now taking my little crusty MAC lipstick in the color Half and Half, I will be putting that on the center of my lips. This is like honestly my favorite nude lipstick, but it melted in my car, so it pisses me off. I really need to go get a new one. But yeah, this is just like some random glittery lip gloss that I found, and I just put that on top of my lips to give it a little bit of shine. And this is pretty much the finished product. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved doing it for you. All the specs to everything, including the hair and the makeup, will be down below in the description box. If you guys have any questions or comments, then please leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Sugar.